Well, good day. This is Tony Esteves coming to you from Calgary, Alberta, and this disco ball and I were just contemplating how the world is going to change as a result of the pandemic. Now, I think it's pretty safe to say the world will change, but no one can guess really how much it's going to change. And as I was reflecting in this little ball, I was thinking, wow, one thing I think is going to happen, one thing I think is going to be a result of what we're all experiencing now by being isolated is that a great deal of art is going to come out of this. I've talked to a number of friends and other artists who have perhaps lost some of their income, or maybe all of their income, and what they're doing is they're working on their art. They're painting, they're creating new music, they're picking up the guitar for the first time in years. So I'm really excited about how much new art is going to come out of what we're currently experiencing. And for myself specifically, I'm working on my Talk to More People book, which I'm very proud to say is at the editing stage now. I got my manuscript evaluation back more than a month ago, and what I'm doing now specifically is going through chapter by chapter and working out where each little segment is going to belong in the new table of contents. There's a new outline for what I'm doing with this book as a result of the first pass with the editor. So really excited to be working on that, and I'm curious to know, what are you working on? What kind of creative projects are you picking up now that you may find yourself having that precious resource that we all seem to never have enough of up until recently, time? And if you're not doing something creative, perhaps now's a chance for you to do something creative and have some fun with it. So send me a note or give me a comment and let me know what you're getting creative about, and love to hear from you. Stay safe, take good care, and see you again soon.